Here's a special message for every business owner who needs to sell their product, service, course or membership program, but is struggling to make money online due to fixing software issues. I bet you feel like you're being held hostage by the tech people you hire to help you. You feel like you pay too much money for something you don't even know will work or not. You see that things that should be simple and should take hours becomes days, then weeks, then months. With each day passing by, your excitement about building your online business gets dimmer and dimmer until one day it's gone. Money wasted, time wasted, with little or nothing to show for it. This is one of the main reasons why so many business owners quit building their online business. Hi, my name is Gerby Bulow and I'm the founder of Social Media Gids. And if you want to make money online, then pay very close attention. Many business owners suffer from the idea that they need a large budget and need to hire teams of developers and system integrators to create a thriving online business. But nothing could be further than the truth. And if you're a business owner who wants to make money online, this masterclass is exactly what you're looking for. I'd like to invite you to join this free masterclass on how to make money online within 24 hours and achieve freedom of finance, time and location without having to hire an expensive tech guy or being held hostage by the tech people you hire to help you. In this free masterclass, I'm going to reveal 3 secrets. A sales funnel is the key to making consistent sales. Kartra is the best cloud-based all-in-one sales and marketing platform that makes it super easy to scale your business. Use our proven ready-made funnels to automate and accelerate your business. So this masterclass will help you discover how to make money online on autopilot. In fact, this masterclass will also help you discover that a traditional website is basically just a flashy digital brochure that isn't designed to sell. That's why you need a sales funnel website. You will discover that Kartra all-in-one marketing and sales automation platform is helping other business owners just like you getting paid while generating new leads and paying customers. You will discover that with our done-for-you sales funnels, you have all the tools you need to generate the right leads and convert them into paying customers. You will also discover that you will save hundreds of hours of your precious time by just using our ready-made sales funnels to effectively market your products or services online, and much, much more. And best of all, you will discover that by using Kartra all-in-one marketing and sales automation platform and our pre-built websites and sales funnels, you can be selling in hours, not weeks. Even better, the one-time payment you do for the entire package is less the cost you pay a salesperson each month, and this online marketing machine that spits out dollars doesn't complain or doesn't ask for a pay rise. It just works for you and sells through sales videos, sales letters and webinars 24/7, 365 days a year. After you watch this masterclass, followed by making a smart marketing decision, you just have to add your logo and edit the text to have your website with a sales process live within a couple of hours. We already did all the heavy lifting for you, so you can get up and running twice as fast with 3 times much more results, so you can make money as soon as possible. Now don't believe our words for it, but hundreds of businesses already are enjoying our online marketing partnership. The question is, are you next? The foundation is the key to success, and this masterclass holds the key to your success. Subscribe for this free masterclass right now.